this is pretty much everything for today's video. If there's sunlight, obviously it's gonna start to crawling the side, and also foliage also gonna start facing the side. However, at the same time, this character is like it tends to spread the foliage in every directions. So in the terms, I would think instead of put them as decoration near the wall, maybe even more so for in the middle of the table or at the counter. About the growing tip is loved to grow in the bright to medium light condition. Watering is very loved to be moist. I'll say keep make the soil gonna give water at least once in 5 days. Just trying to make the topsoil still moist. And fertilizer is about once in a month should be fine. And plus, because this foliage is like very sensitive about the spider mites or any bugs, so I would like to highly recommend spray and wipe the foliage occasionally. So yes, this is pretty much everything for today's video. If you like my video, please hit the likes and subscribe my channel. And then if you want to have this plant, I do deliver my plants to Central Coast, New South Wales, so you can find it from here. Or if you want to grow Philodendron Gloriosum, then I can post to other states as well. Still, you can find it from my website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.